Welcome to Daily Care. In this channel, we believe that good health and a peaceful home are the foundation of a joyful life. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how this woman is healed with vitamin D3 that contains magnesium and zinc, and also vitamin C supplement only. She is in the village and she has serious wound in her leg, and she's not going out for over a year, and she's just applying all this herbal medicine on the surface of the wound, and also she's taking antibiotics like ampiclos, ibuprofen, pain relief for the leg. Nothing sure. This woman the body is continue weakening all the time. She's indoor, no good food, nothing. But what's happened? Someone went there and see everything. The person now reached out to me. I have to recommend them this vitamin D3 that contain magnesium and zinc, because after looking at the wound, I make a research and see that this woman's immune system has gone out, so a lot of things has gone wrong, and she need first to build immune good first before. Then only that vitamin D and vitamin C supplement, this woman is healed immediately. Within 2 weeks of taking that drugs, this woman healed. That's to show you that vitamin D3 plays a vital role in our body, and magnesium also with zinc. It plays a vital role in our body. So don't joke with it. Don't just from home to house and you are feeling headache, serious migraine headache, fatigue, tiredness, mood change, anxiety, anger all the time. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. It's either you see a doctor to tell you that something is wrong, or you can get that vitamin D and start taking. You see that your body will change. You will see the video. After this, you will see that this woman is totally healed without anything, without applying any other thing. The only thing that I told her to be applying on the surface of the wound is blue Seal Vaseline, because they're in the village, nothing, no money to go even to see a doctor. So you can also help all those old people in the village that is not more moving around. You can help them by buying all those supplements so that their immune system will be strong again. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. You can now watch the woman's leg when the wound is still there and when the wound has already healed. The woman is now doing normal activities, honestly, and she's very, very happy. She is very, very happy. You can help someone out there like that. Thank you and God bless you. Let us enjoy our good health and have a joyful life by His grace. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel. Support your little sister. It takes me how many days to make this video? Honestly, I'm too shy. I don't know why. It takes me how many days? If I make, I will delete. I say it's not good. But I will continue trying. But with the support of you people, your comment is very, very important. Your like is very important. Please, I beg you. Bye and see you next time.